Hello, welcome to my channel. It's your guy Eddie Raymond, aka Mr. Transaction Engineer, the flyest real estate entrepreneur in the game, baby. I've been buying and selling real estate since 2004. I'm not like the rest of the square investors out there, guys. You came to the right channel. If you're looking to have some fun, make plenty of money, and learn multiple exit strategies in this business, you got the right one. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we're going to get to the money. So, what's the difference between a buyer's market and a seller's market? This is very important to your real estate success. We're able to make money no matter what type of market it is. I don't care what kind of market it is. We know what tools to use in buyer's market and in a seller's market. So how do you know if you're in a buyer's market? Well, the difference comes down to who have the advantage in negotiations. In a seller's market, sellers, they dictate everything. Their houses are flying off the shelf. They're not paying closing costs. They're not giving you any concessions. There's nothing, hardly no negotiation. Houses are flying off the shelf. They're flying out the neighborhood. You can't get a contract in quick enough. You know, if you've been around for a while, this is how it's been, the last couple of years. But now, about the past maybe year and a half, maybe 2 years, we've been slowly transitioning over to a buyer's market. So here's the signs of a buyer's market. Homes stay on the market longer than usual, right? More price reductions. You see a lot of people dropping their prices, trying to find the right buyer because there's so many properties on the market. More inventory. More seller concessions. Sellers are paying closing costs, taking out money for repairs. My daughter just bought a house and the seller gave up like $20,000 in concessions. Buyers have more choices out here, more options. That's the size of a buyer's market. And that's what market we're in right now. Now, depending on where you at, some markets are still hot. I know right now in Georgia, guys, we're experiencing the buyer's market. We do deals in Florida and Texas. We're experiencing the same thing, and a lot of our students, they're all over. So, but mostly all over the U.S., we're in a buyer's market. Now, let me tell you the difference between the buyer's and the seller's market. Seller's market, higher sale prices, faster sales, no to very little concessions. The seller has more leverage in negotiating, so they don't have to negotiate. It's not that many properties for sale in the seller's market because there's no inventory. People are buying the houses like crazy. So why should they negotiate when they don't have to? There's a big difference. Most investors only know how to survive in a seller's market. Don't be that investor because right now, chances are you're suffering. You're suffering, you're not closing on enough deals because you just don't know what to do. Join us June 16th, 17th, and 18th. We're going to show you 9 ways to get paid in a buyer's market. 9, not one. That one trick, what you call it, one trick pony stuff, out the door. When you come with Transaction Engineer Academy, we got something for you. Also, when you join us for the 3-day workshop next week, we're going to give you the free deal evaluation software where you can put in any deal and it's going to analyze it and it's going to tell you which way to go with the deal. All right? And always remember, in the seller's market, sellers have the negotiating power. The buyer's market, buyers have the negotiating power. It's a big difference, and you need to know which market you're in because the different strategies work for different things. Okay? God bless you. Keep growing and going out there. Like and subscribe for more free videos. If you want to see more free videos, look in our live section. We got over 900 videos. I know something can help you over there in that catalog. God bless you guys. Keep growing and going. Get more tools in your toolbox. And I'll see you at the top. Peace and love.